Dear children, how are you all? I hope all are keeping well. Today's class, I'm going to teach you Europe Peninsula of Asia. Already the notes is given yesterday. So, the lesson I'm starting. Europeans, have you seen the map of world map? This is the world map. So Europe is one of the most densely populated and urbanized continent of the world. It is also prosperous and highly industrialized continent. In area, it ranks 6th among the continents. It has a complex and diverse physical setting and socio-cultural and political situation. Europe has 56 large and small countries. You see, this is the highly industrialized. Many industries are there in this continent, and also it ranks in area. So it is a 6th rank in the among the continents, and Europe has 56 large and small countries in Europe. Location and extents. Europe lies between 10 degree west and 60 degree east longitude, and from 36 degree north to 72 degree north latitude. You can see here 3 lines are passed through Asia, Europe continent. So this is dividing the globe here, but Asia is located 10 degree west and 60 degree east longitude. Longitude means a straight line up to down, and from 36 degree to north to 72 degree north latitude. Can you see the globe? Here there are straight line up to down, that is called longitude, and cross lines are there, that is called latitude. Okay. Can see 20 degree west, 160 degree east, so 180 degree east. This is the Tropic of Cancer. Equator in the center, and Tropic of Cancer in the upper line, and Tropic of Capricorn in the down. So equator 0 degrees dividing the globe into 2 parts, north and south. So Europe, including the European portion of Russia, is the second smallest continent with a total area of 10.4 million kilometers square. It is about 3 times size of India. It is larger than 3 times larger than India in a size. This continent occupies about 7% of Earth's surface. Only 7% of Earth you can see, but it has quarter of world's total population. Quarter of total world's population you can find here. Now physical settings. Europe is a peninsula of Asia. Water bodies surround Europe on 3 sides. You can see all 3 sides here. In the red mark, Europe is shown that Europe in a red mark, and it is written there Europe. So it is lies 3 sides of water, and 1 side is land. So to the north is the Barents Sea to the west is the Atlantic Ocean, and to the south is the Mediterranean Sea. Atlantic Ocean up you can see there, down also is there. So Mediterranean Ocean, Atlantic Sea, and in the south is the Mediterranean Ocean, Sea, and the west Atlantic Ocean, and north is the Barents Sea, is covered with the three sides of water. To the east of Europe lies the continent of Asia, which is separated from it by Ural Mountains, that is the mountain ranges. It is called Ural Mountain, Caucasus Mountains, and the Caspian Sea. To the south of it lies Africa. See, upper Europe is the yellow marked, and down you can see the Africa. So the above mentioned boundaries are not barriers between the Asia and Europe, hence together Asia and Europe are known as Eurasia. What is Europe and Asia both are known as Eurasia. Now physiography. The physiography of Europe is unique. The western and southern parts of the mountains characterized by snow-covered peaks, gorges, valleys, plateaus, and plains. So snow will be covered, the peaks are covered by the snow, and gorges, valleys, and plateaus and plains. But the eastern part of the continent consists largely of the stable platform with a limited change in relief. The highest point, Europe, Mount Elbrus, 5636 mount in the Caucasus Mountain. The lowest point of the continent is the shore of the Caspian Sea, which is 28 meters below sea level. It is Caspian Sea is which is the lowest point of the continent, Caucasus Mountain. That is the continent is the shore of the Caspian Sea, which is that is 28 meter below than the sea level. Actually, Europe is a large peninsula of the Asiatic land mass. I told you what is peninsula. Peninsula is surrounded by three sides of water. It has numerous peninsula such as Scandinavia. Which are the countries are there? Scandinavia, the Iberian, the Jutland, Balkan Peninsula, etc. Thus, very often Europe is known as the peninsula of peninsulas. Europe has a highly identified irregular coastline of 80,500 kilometers, which is longer than that of Asia. It has a irregular coastline. What is coastline? The seasides, 80,500 kilometers, the longer than that of Asia. Thousands of islands lies of the coast of the continent. The islands covered by four sides of water. It is called island. So, two of the largest islands are Britain and Ireland. That are the two largest islands. Other important islands are Shetland, Faroes, Orkneys, Sicily, Sardinia, Corsica, Crete, and Channel Islands. Now, physical divisions. What are the physical divisions? The Northwest Highlands, the North European plains, the central uplands, the southern mountains. Now the northwest highlands. This region includes the oldest mountains located in the Finland, Sweden, Norway, and extending the Britain and Ireland. These are really the relic mountains which have undergone glacial erosion and become low mountains. They are made of ancient rocks. These mountains are made of ancient rocks. The general elevation is 2000 meter in Scandinavia and 600 meter in Ireland and Scotland. Goldhope Pigeon, the highlands, highest highlands, Goldhope Pigeon, 2469 meter in Norway is the highest peak in the North Europe. The Ben Nevis, 1343 meter in Scotland, and Snowdon 1085 meter in Wales. Other peaks. This region has a gentle slope in the north and are crossed by many rivers. The North European plains, second one, it is also as a central lowlands. The North European plains are called as also central lowlands. It extends from Ural mountain in the east to the Atlantic coast in the west. It occupies the greater parts of Europe. Most of the parts of Europe this is occupies. It includes European, Russia, Poland, Northern Germany, the Netherlands, now Holland, Denmark, Belgium, Northern France, and eastern parts of the England. These countries are occupies this Ural Northern European plains. It is broad in the east and narrow in the west. In the Netherlands and Belgium, these are the countries, some parts of these plains are below sea level. It is depositional plain formed by the deposition of sediments brought by various rivers. This because of the rivers these plains are made up of. These are some plains are below than the sea level. This region is not flat like Indo-Gangetic plain of India. Indo-Gangetic plain of India, this is not like a flat. In certain places there are gently rolling areas, and at other places it is broken by low mountain chains and hills. It has some of the world's most fertile farmlands. So it is not like flat like Indo-Gangetic plains like India. So it has it having rolling areas and other places broken by the low mountain range chains and hills. Next, the central uplands. Third one, this uplands consists of old rocks, eroded old mountains. These uplands are consist by the old rocks and old mountains, hills and high plateaus. Here there are hills, old mountain, old rocks, hills, high plateaus. Their average height is not more than 600 meter above the sea level. The uplands extends from Ireland in the west to Russia in the east. They include the Meseta Plateau in Spain, the Portugal, the Massif Central and Vosges in France, the Black Forest in Germany, and several low ranges in Czech and Slovakia republics. Some of the parts of these region are forested. Most of the lands is rocky and has poor soil for the farming, but river valleys provide the best farmlands. Its area is fully rock and it is not useful for farming, but some of the river valleys are providing fertile lands for the farming. The southern mountain, they are also known as the Alpine mountain system. Which are the mountains known as the Alpine mountain system? Southern mountain. It included several mountains, the Sierra Morena in Spain, as well as Pyrenees, which form the boundary between France and Spain. These mountains run parallel to one another from the Atlantic coast in the west to the Caspian Sea in the east. They are young folded mountains like the Himalayas. They looks like Himalayan mountain. The famous Alps are most important. The Mount Blanc is the highest peak, 4,807 meter, which is that Mount Blanc in the Alps. The Alps cover parts of southeastern France, northern Italy, most of the Switzerland and the part of Germany, Austria and Slovenia. The Apennines covers much of Italy. The Dinaric Alps covers Croatia, Bosnia and Yugoslavia, and Balkans of Bulgaria. The Carpathians are in the north Slovenia. These are the mountain ranges in the some of the southern mountain ranges, the parts of the Europe. Next, climate region. There are the climate. Europe can be divided into 4 climate region. One, maritime northwest Europe, continental climate, Mediterranean climate, mountain climate. The maritime northwest climate. This climate region extends from the coast Norway to northern Spain and islands towards Central Europe. The mild winters, cool summers and ample rainfall, cloudy and foggy days are main characteristic of this type of climate. This is moderate temperature in the both summer and winter is 18 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius, and well distributed rainfall 75 centimeter. It is not a hot summer. During the summer also it is having cool weather, and that is foggy type. Some winter is mild, cool summer and ample rainfall, cloudy and foggy days. The very good weather we can see in the maritime northwest Europe. Next, continental climate. And this climate mainly prevails in the Poland, Slovakia, Czech Republic, Hungary, Romania and Bulgaria. These are the countries. This climate is characterized by cold winters and warm summer. Cold means minus 12 degrees Celsius. It is very cold, so you can see the snow falling, ice, and 10 degrees Celsius. The average rainfall is 50 centimeter. Rainfall is maximum in early summer as conventional rain. So during summer season only 50 centimeter rainfall you can see. So Mediterranean climate. This type of climate is characterized by hot, dry, sunny summers and mild winters with some rain. The average winter temperature is 8 degrees Celsius and summer temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. The average annual rainfall varies from 75 to 100 centimeters. This type of climate is mainly found in southernmost parts of the Europe adjoining the Mediterranean Sea. In these parts only this type of weather can see here. Next, mountain climates. The Alps and Caucasus mountains have this type of climate. It is controlled by the altitude angle of the sun rays and wind. The temperature range from -4 degrees Celsius in winter to 16 degrees Celsius in summer. The average rainfall is 50 degrees centimeter on the leeward side and about 200 centimeter on the windward side of the mountain. At the high altitude, the temperature is below freezing point. So, these rest of the lesson, this is the climate region. I have taught you the physical divisions of the Europe and extent and location. Physiography, physical settings, extent and location, physical divisions and the climate region. So rest of the lesson will be doing in the next class. I will continue in the next class. Next class, farming, dairying and natural vegetation, dairying, fishing, farming. So write the notes. Next, population is there. Thank you.